that me? All right. Level 74. Was there anything good at 74? Wish you could, like, if nothing else, wish you could type in the search bar 74 and it go boom, down to level 74. Maybe it does. I've never tried. Rex saddle. Okay, that's good. We haven't found a Rex yet. What's that? Is that the vault? It must be. Yeah. Next level we get a vault. Baby! Oh, oh, oh. Raptor! Can we take a couple of raptors? Well, not if they go flying off the hill. Hey, raptor, look. I'm right here. Hey, raptor. Oh, it's a Robo-Raptor. Robo-Raptor, what are you running from? What is this cowardly raptor? I don't care what I'm killing. Kill anything. Kill them all. The good thing is if the fight's not going our way, we can just fly away. There we go. 168 Tech Raptor. All right. Oh, hello. Hello, you. You might have some prime on you, eh? Take that. Maybe. Let's see if we can take it. Well, doing some damage already. Good. Level 100. Yeesh. I mean, we need meat in any case. Because the Argentavis has the last of it. Come on, let's get this. Before the bird runs out of stamina. Come back here. Stop very slowly getting away. Yeah, come over here. I don't want to get the stego involved. Oh, we got the stego involved. It's just what I said I didn't want to do. See, but like I said, that's the great thing about it. We just fly away from trouble. Okay, this will speed it up immeasurably. Actually, very measurably. We'll be able to quite easily measure it. Here. Have this instead. Not the rotten meat. That's no good for you. And we don't need these. Yeah. Go get out of render distance of that. See, this would also be a good place for a base. A nice little lake inland that you could build your base around and have a little moat. Ooh. Now the problem over there is we saw in this area microraptors that want to knock me off my saddle and have me stunned while those raptors beat on me. This is bad. 3-on-1. Come on, bird, do your stuff. Before the Carno gets here. Or microraptors show up. Okay, there's one down. There you go. Nice job, Birdie Birdington. Where was that crystal? I don't recall seeing that Carnotaurus over here before. Oh, that! Exactly that! But... Jerk! Hate those guys. I'll give it. You could fly into my face and stun me. I'll give you that. But you're too small to knock me off of anything. Well, I do this. Yeah, see that stupid Microraptor. And somehow, I must have put my, right, I dumped everything off. I dumped everything off when I was trying to build, right? That's why I have no shotgun shells on me. The Ankylosaur is doing my job for me. Hey, leave some for me. There we go. We got the final hit. Kill Stealer! Park it. Is that a Microraptor? No. Oh, Kentrosaurus. Look at, like, who asked you to get involved? Nobody. Don't think we don't see you, Kentrosaurus. You don't come back here. We are coming for you. This is how you get killed by Microraptors. The main way, you'll be fighting something like this, and they'll come along and stun you off your mount. And then you just sit there while it beats on you. Yay! Our other RG Davis is done. Woohoo! But it's part of the first part of our new breeding program, so we won't be riding it. I will cryopod it up and leave it in storage. Until we're able to breed them. Well, actually, we can breed them now. If once they get a female, we can breed them. Just store the eggs until the incubator comes along. And then we check in and start the breeding program. Multiple generations. What the heck is this? Where did you douchebags come from? You weren't here. No, 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 no. Come on. Come along. Come along. Come along, cats. Come on. Hey, bird, don't help. Look at what you've done. We were fine without you. How do I whistle passive? Okay, follow. Get up here. Are you listening to me? You're not listening to me. You're trying to get yourself killed. Trying to get me killed too. Land. Land! Whistle. Frickin' passive. You dumbass. You are 100% not supposed to be fighting my brand new breeding daddy. Okay, it's level 198. After having a bunch of levels put in, this one's level 96. You see the difference. Okay, let's take a look at your stats. Look at that. I'm not starving. Stop being so damn dramatic. 2,600 health to start off. 1,000 stamina already. 364 melee damage. Okay. Okay, it's 198. Remember that. Look at that. Look at that. 198. Oh, good grief. Stop groaning and moaning. You got food in your pocket. Calm down. So that was on 198 after taming male wild. I do that so I don't have to like open their inventory or look at anything. I can just look at their name from a distance. Okay, that's the one I want. Oh, that worked. Over there. Clear that. And then open that up. I'm going to store you away. Oh, it was fighting things. That's why it has so much stuff on it. It's like, where did you get all this stuff from? You come fly with me.